Good morning, everybody. It's Vietnam Steve. I've got a good one for you today. People have been asking me to recreate the Everyday for Breakfast Vart that I did a couple of years ago and update it for what I'm actually eating now. So I'm ready to go. And what we're going to do today is we're going to cook Bánh Giò. Now, Bánh Giò is a little pyramid-shaped meaty goodness that is wrapped up in banana leaves. So we get the Bánh Giò and we're going to put it in the pot here. So I'll just bring you over the other side so you can actually see what's going on over here. And we'll clear a bit of space to put you on the bench, lower you down. Right, we've got a pot here. We need to turn this on. And what we do is we get the Bánh Giò and we take it over and we put it in the pot. Now this is going to take about 20 minutes to steam, and then when it's steamed we'll pull it out, we'll show you what's inside, and we'll give it the taste test. So stick with me. This is going to be a delicious everyday for breakfast treat. So we're just about done here. Let's turn that off, maybe keep the light on so we can see what's going on here, and rip the top off so you can actually see what goes. So that's been boiling away for about 20 minutes now. I'm going to pull him out, and I might try and do it while I've got you on the camera. He is very hot, but I'm going to dump him straight on a plate here. So out he comes on the plate, and that is Bánh Giò. Now I'm going to have to pause the camera and start the unwrapping process, but you get the idea. Fairly easy to steam one of those up. And now I just need to unwrap it and eat it. Right, the pot's off. We've got the Bánh Giò here looking like a pyramid. I now need to unwrap him, so that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully you can see the unwrapping process here. It's fairly simple. Just try and not burn your hands because it is very, very hot. And there we have a little pyramid-shaped breakfast. Now I'm just going to tip him on the plate like that, get that out of the way. Let's stand him up so he looks reasonable for everybody. And I just need to wash the hands here. I've managed to get a little bit of Bánh Giò stuck on my fingers because he's quite hot. And I'll bring him over for you to have a look at. So that is the porky goodness that we're going to be eating. So come on, let's go over and have a taste. All right, I've got the lovely little Bánh Giò on the plate here. He's a pyramid of porky goodness. I'm going to put a little bit of the tuonot on the side. We'll have a little bit of that as we eat it. We will break into it here, and you've probably got to come and look from my side around here now to see the porky goodness. I'll just turn this plate around. So there you can see it's pork and vegetables inside, a little bit of the hot sauce, and let's have a taste and see what it tastes like. Oh, it's got that je ne sais quoi, and that is porky goodness personified. All right, so what you do is you just get a little bit of that on your spoon, have a taste. Oh, that's the breakfast to die for. It's Bánh Giò, and it's a Vietnamese breakfast. And if you're in Vietnam, you should be trying this. So thanks for watching Everyday for Breakfast, and particularly thanks for watching the Vietnam Steve channel. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. That really encourages me to make more breakfast parts. If you've got a comment about what you like for breakfast, I love comments and I respond to all the comments. Please share this with your best friend, because I'd love them to see what a tasty treat is in Vietnam. And of course, subscribe to the channel, Vietnam Steve. We're getting up there now. We're almost hitting the mighty 1,000 mark. We'll have a bit of a celebration when that happens. But please subscribe to the channel, because that's the only way I know you get access to the latest entertainment. All the best. See you in the next one.